Hello and welcome to TNR Sales in Sublet, Illinois. We're looking at trailers today, both park models and destination trailers. This is a 2023 Sierra. MSRP is around $90,000. I think the sticker says 89. It's a 41 footer and its designation is, wait for it, it's a 401 FLX. So it's a front living room. It's got a bunch of great features. No matter how hard I try, I'll probably miss a lot of them. There's a LED awning light. It's electric awning. Outside speakers. Stabilizer jacks. Entry steps. It's aluminum fiberglass construction, so it's not a sticking tin. It's definitely the upgraded vacuum bonded fiberglass walls. Unit number 5252253. So let's go on in and have a look around. I've got it all lit up, plugged in, both airs running, ceiling fans running. But this is a great floor plan. I'd be happy to have one. It's got an outstanding fridge, stove and oven, surround sound built in, table and 4 chairs. There's storage under the chairs. You got theater seating. You got 1 sleeper sofa. So this trailer sleeps 4. A fireplace. The built-in surround sound, nice ceiling fan, plenty of lights in here. It's nice and bright. Lots of cabinets, pull-out sprayer. There's the MSRP sheet. It's got 2 ACs on it, so we can take this anywhere in the country. Microwave. Let me show you in here. It's an outstanding fridge, I'm telling you. These are run off an inverter and they're made special for the RV industry. There's an ice maker, pull-out tray, water filter right there. The water filter. LG. And then you could cook a turkey in the oven. Your monitor panel's hid behind here. This has the awning extend and retract buttons and all your various switches. There's the Furrion gas water heater control. You set your temperature and all that happy stuff. You got your whole house vacuum. I haven't looked in here yet. Just a closet. Probably be a good place to put the vacuum. Located under the sink right now. All ball bearing, full extension drawer guides. Got cutting board, sink tops. It's a marble-like, real nice material there. Under here is your whole house water filter, your trash can. Little bit of storage. There's USB phone chargers in the bedroom and the living room. There they are if you want to see them. Theater seating is very comfortable. Recliner. I get a lot of comfort out of this trailer. It's very comfortable. It would be crowded with 8 people, but you'd all have a seat. 4 would probably be more to my liking. So let's go check out the bedroom. Check out the bathroom first, it's on the way. It's a nice big bathroom too. Shower, foot flush toilet. Look at that shower. This is a great shower. There's 2 ceiling fans in here. Them are really nice fans, by the way. Here's the medicine cabinet. Ta-da! Little bit of storage under the sink. Again, this is the foot flush toilet. Still got some antifreeze in it from this winter. Okay. Look at that sprayer and everything. These Sierras are nice. And I mean nice with a capital nice. The master bedroom. It's got its own air, its own fan, TV backer, plenty of drawers and doors, and what everybody always asks about is prep for a washer dryer. So all you gotta do is go up to the appliance store and get the stackable washer dryer that fits the hole. Or you can order it, come from the factory that way. Here's your storage drawers. Gonna be closet rod in here. There is an outlet and USB charger on this side only. Looks like do not see one on both sides. So I guess you'd have to make do with what you got. But it's nice little shelving. People usually have their own chargers anyway. There's the hookup for the TV. Bit of nice storage here. I like this trailer, I really do. Plank linoleum flooring, PVC flooring, I should say. Neither expands nor contracts, so you don't get the big splits in it. Well, that pretty well sums up our tour. Give you one last look around here. It's got 8-foot ceilings. And again, the TV's included. The fireplace throws out heat. Then you have an integrated surround sound stereo with outside speakers. This stove is out of this world. I love that stove. 4-burner stove for a camper. Suggested retail was $85,000, so I told you a little too much. This is a 401 FLX. Front living room. No idea what the X is about. It's a 3-slide trailer. There's a slide in the bed, the dining, theater seating, and then the whole kitchen wall slides. So that gives you some good extra space. Well, if you like my videos, hit like and subscribe. I did about 15 of them recently, and if I get more subscribers, I might do 15 more, who knows. Well, anyhow, thanks for watching my video. Leave me a nice comment or a like and subscribe.